We will tell you the 11 tips which, if you follow sincerely, you will surely get rich. We can guarantee you this because all the people who followed our tips got rich last year. You must follow these tips if you are eager to become rich. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss the most crucial part. Now let's start. 1. Set specific, attainable financial objectives. A well-defined goal is the first step on the path to millionaire status. Whether it's a certain sales objective for your company or a milestone in your own wealth, set measurable targets. Make sure they are both ambitious and reasonable so they can inspire and guide your financial pursuits. Starting with what you want to achieve, like saving for an initial deposit on a home, paying off debt, or creating an emergency fund, you can create specific, attainable financial objectives. Giving your objectives a precise target amount and time frame can help them become specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. I want to put aside $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 18 months. Divide big objectives into more doable, smaller ones, like putting away a certain amount per month or reducing spending to increase savings. 2. Develop an entrepreneurial mindset and way of thinking. Making the decision to embrace the mindset of an entrepreneur is a crucial first step in the process of amassing personal riches and becoming a self-made billionaire at the same time. Not only is it about launching a business, but it's also about an entire way of life that involves being resilient in the face of adversity, continually seeking for new opportunities, and taking calculated risks. Press the subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know more tips to get rich. 3. Make an investment in your schooling and skill improvement. One of the millionaire's rules is never stop learning. Make educational investments, go to seminars, and even think about hiring mentors who may provide advice on personal growth, business, or financial literacy. Beyond merely increasing your knowledge, learning new talents may open up new sources of income. Put your attention on learning new computer languages, digital marketing, or data analysis, or any other in-demand knowledge and abilities that can boost your income potential. Embrace lifelong learning, adopt a growth mentality, and be prepared to change and progress in a work market that is changing quickly. Through investing in your learning and the acquisition of skills, you may increase your income, improve your job chances, and open up new wealth-creating options, thus putting yourself on the road to financial success and prosperity. 4. Create many sources of revenue. Few self-made billionaires depend only on one source of income. Investigate other business endeavors, make stock or real estate investments, or generate passive income by authoring books, developing online courses, or even monetizing a blog. Making sure your extra sources of money complement your hobbies and talents is essential to raising your chances of success. Building a steady career or company as your main source of income should come before adding those other sources. Investigate other kinds of income as well, such as freelancing, developing and marketing digital goods, or providing services on sites like Airbnb or Uber. You will lower financial dependence on a single source, raise total profits, and lay a strong financial basis for long-term stability and prosperity by developing many revenue sources. 5. Invest your money and live within your financially responsible limits. Generating income is just one component of the process of accumulating wealth. Another component is preserving it. Strive to resist the need to spend money on items that aren't necessary and learn to live within your means. A significant portion of your money should be set aside for the purposes of saving and investing. It is possible that you may be able to save money without even being aware of it if you set up recurring monthly transfers to investment accounts. 6. Make high-return investments. Growing wealth depends on making wise investments. Learn about the many kinds of investments available to you, including real estate and high-interest savings accounts in addition to stocks and bonds. Since strategic investing balances risk and reward, it's critical to determine how comfortable you are with investments and create a diverse portfolio to safeguard your money. To reduce risk, spread your money throughout several asset classes, industries, and geographical areas. Examine possible investments in depth and do due diligence, taking into account things like liquidity requirements, risk tolerance, and growth potential. Subsequently, for consistent returns, look at dividend-paying equities, index funds, or ETFs or high-growth sectors like technology, healthcare, or e-commerce. Ultimately, to optimize returns and accumulate long-term wealth, routinely assess and rebalance your portfolio to make sure it stays in line with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. 7. Connect with others and use your network. It is possible that meeting successful people who have similar values and perspectives may result in the discovery of new opportunities and insightful advice. Join professional organizations, participate in activities that facilitate networking, and make a concerted effort to find mentors. In addition to the skills you acquire, the connections you cultivate may prove to be as valuable. 8. Be patient and persistent. Rarely is the road to millionaire status straight. A fast remedy that works overnight is less likely to be successful than consistent work over time. Be ready for disappointments and see them as chances to learn and fortify your will. Long-term benefits of patience are many. Building money requires time, discipline, and resiliency. Hence, being persistent and patient is essential to being wealthy. Building wealth takes time, regular work, wise financial choices, and a readiness to learn from mistakes. When confronted with challenges and disappointments, persistence keeps you focused on your financial objectives. Patience helps you weather market swings, economic downturns, and other outside influences that might affect your assets. 9. Create and refine your company plan. Should you be in business, keep assessing and improving your company plan. By use of market research, client input, and continuous analysis, you may discover methods to raise output, boost efficiency, and boost sales. It makes sense to take advantage of any opportunity to streamline your operations since successful company owners are always seeking methods to improve. 10. Return the favor and forward it. Wealth is about the constructive effects it may have as much as its acquisition. After you've made a lot of money, think about supporting issues that really matter to you or your neighborhood. Beyond financial rewards, this may provide personal satisfaction and assist people in need while also forming your legacy. Giving back helps others in need and develops a feeling of humility, thankfulness, and purpose that may enhance your life more than money alone. Setting an example for others to follow, paying it forward may have a significant influence on next generations by causing a chain reaction of generosity and compassion. Giving back and paying it forward may also help you to leave a lasting legacy that goes beyond your financial achievement, therefore bringing a feeling of closure and fulfillment to your wealth-building path. 11. Discuss your financial matters with your spouse. Having a conversation with your partner about things pertaining to finances is very necessary in order to have a solid and secure financial foundation together. It is possible to build a united financial plan, make choices based on accurate information, and work towards similar goals by discussing your financial goals, obligations, income, and spending with one another. Some examples of common goals include saving for a house, retirement, or the education of your children. Open communication helps avoid financial secrets, decreases stress and disputes, and creates a feeling of trust, collaboration, and joint responsibility, which eventually leads to a more secure and successful financial future for both of you when it comes to your finances. We will upload a video on how you could maintain a relationship, but for that you need to stay subscribed to our channel and also press the like button. Share this video with your friends also. You must click on the video appearing on the right side to know whether you will get rich or not.